Peace. Infinite Chef making fish once again, and in this video I will show you how to turn this fish into a nice meal. So all we need to do is have three things ready. We have fish, that's all I already prepped for you. This is the tray and preheated oven. This is what preheated inside. Also, we're going to need some fish spices like this. This is spice for the fish. Okay, so first thing first, let's oil the tray and spice it up. So this is regular olive oil. I want to oil the tray on the bottom like this, not too much. And now I will sprinkle the spices because I want bottoms of my fish to be spiced up. Now let's lay the fishes. Look at that. And make sure there is room in between them. For a nice baking process. It is so simple and quick. Like so. And if you like potatoes or vegetables, onions, whatever you like, you can put them in between fishes. Maybe that's what I will do. Let's throw a few potato veggies there. Okay, I want to show you how I prepare potatoes my specific way. So this is a metal scrubber and this is the regular potato. So I don't want to peel the skin off because skin has vital vitamins and nutritions. So all I'm going to do is wash and scrub potato with this metal scrubber. Like this, I'm scrubbing, I'm washing the potato, scrubbing away all the dirt, and then it becomes like this. Wow, take a look at these beautiful babies. Now let's just cut them into large veggies. You just go like this and like that. Just cut it into 4 large pieces. Yes, look how simple it was. Now we have potato wedges, and I will lay them with the fish, like so. Skin down, and veg up. Then I will have crunchy skin and baked tops, nice and healthy, healthier than fried potatoes. One right here, one right there. Just anywhere, really. Now you see, now I want to spice these potatoes up with potato spice and chicken spice. Just whichever spice you like, spice it up. So your potatoes have real nice flavor. And salted, of course, but the spices I'm using already have salts in them. Just a universal all-purpose spice. Now I don't know if I want onions or not. Maybe yes. Let's throw in some onion. Yeah, couple of fresh onions. Cut them into large pieces and sprinkled on top. Check it out, I made onion rings kind of, and this is all the peels. So let's sprinkle these rings. Just throw them in on top of fish and potatoes, just anywhere you like. Like so. Add some spices, flavors on the onions, and our oven is already flaming hot, so let's slide this tray in. Yeah, coming in hot. Yes, right in the middle there. And shut it down. Now let's wait 30 minutes and see what we have in there. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot to add mixed vegetables. So let's just go ahead and fix it and add these beautiful vegetables on top. Oh yeah, it's already cooking. How did I forget to add beautiful vegetables? Let's do it. Now that will be complete meal. Yeah, let's put it back in, and now cook it for real. Now let's wait 30 minutes and see what's going on. Okay, so it's actually been 15 minutes. It's time to take this out. Yeah, looks beautiful. It is not overcooked. So let's check it. Break a fish, this piece here. Yeah, it is done wonderfully. It is not overcooked. It is cooked perfectly. So all I can say now is leave a like, share, subscribe, and if you feel like supporting my show of cooking, the tip jar is in the description. Enjoy your meal, guys. Peace.